As the planet heats up, the natural engine that keeps ecosystems turning is quietly slowing down. For years, many ecologists have predicted that as global warming intensifies, nature would change more rapidly. As temperatures climb and climate zones shift, species were expected to disappear from some regions while expanding into others at increasing speed. The result, according to this view, would be faster turnover and a constant reshuffling of ecological communities. However, new research from Queen Mary University of London, QMUL, published in Nature Communications, finds that reality looks very different. Drawing on an extensive global database of biodiversity surveys covering marine, freshwater, and land ecosystems over the past century, researchers discovered that the rate of species replacement in local habitats known as turnover has not accelerated. Instead, it has slowed considerably. Nature functions like a self-repairing engine, constantly swapping out old parts for new ones. But researchers found that this engine is now grinding to a halt. The team focused especially on the period beginning in the 1970s, when global surface temperatures began rising more quickly and environmental changes became more pronounced. They compared how fast species were replacing one another before and after this period of accelerated warming. If climate change were driving ecological change directly, turnover should have increased. Instead, the researchers found that over 1 to 5 year intervals, the pace of species replacement generally slowed. This trend was consistent across very different environments, from bird communities on land to life on the ocean floor. Scientists were surprised how strong the effect is. Turnover rates typically declined by 1/3. To understand this unexpected outcome, the researchers looked at how ecosystems function internally. Their findings suggest that ecological communities are not simply responding to external climate forces. Instead, many appear to operate in what is known as the multiple attractors phase, a concept proposed in 2017 by theoretical physicist Guy Boonin. In the multiple attractors phase, species continually replace one another because of internal biological interactions, even without environmental change. The process can resemble an ongoing game of rock, paper, scissors, where shifting competitive advantages prevent any single species from dominating for long. The new research provides strong real-world evidence that this multiple attractors phase exists and plays a central role in shaping ecosystems. If these internal dynamics normally keep ecosystems in motion, why are turnover rates declining? The researchers argue that environmental degradation and shrinking regional species pools are likely contributing factors. In a healthy multiple attractors phase ecosystem, a large regional pool of species supplies potential newcomers, keeping the cycle of replacement active. As human activities damage habitats and reduce biodiversity across regions, the number of available colonizers decreases. With fewer species able to move in, the rate of turnover slows. In other research, researchers are seeing clear indications that human impacts cause the slowing of turnover, and it is worrying. The study cautions that a stable-looking ecosystem may not be a healthy one. When local species composition appears unchanged, it may signal that biodiversity has been depleted at a broader scale, weakening the internal processes that normally keep ecosystems dynamic and resilient. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed our videos, subscribe to our channel, for there's more to come.